People think superheroes only exist in movies, but today, Hulk is real. You're about to see real strength in action. The city isn't safe, but Hulk is ready. No one gets hurt when Hulk is around. See? Hulk doesn't break things. Hulk saves.
Nothing can stop Hulk from protecting the city!
Nothing can stop Hulk from protecting the city.
Power isn't for breaking, it's for saving.
Remember, a real hero always helps. No city is too big when Hulk is around.
Hulk moves fast when danger is near. Nothing can stop Hulk when he's here.
Nothing can stop Hulk when he's here.
Nothing can fall on people when Hulk is around.
Hulk is here to save the day! No challenge is too big when Hulk is here.
Hulk clears the way for everyone.
Hulk never lets danger fall on anyone! Everyone is safe when Hulk is near! Everyone is safe when Hulk is near. No one falls while Hulk is here.
No one falls while Hulk is here.
Hulk jumps where danger calls.
Hulk jumps where danger calls.
Hulk jumps where danger calls.
Every hero has a moment. Hulk has many.
2 obstacles, Hulk handles both.
2 obstacles, Hulk handles both. Hulk is faster than danger itself.
Hulk runs when every second counts.
Hulk stops the fall before it happens.
Hulk stops the fall before it happens.
Everyone is safe because Hulk is here.
No debris can stop Hulk from saving people. Hulk lands. And the city is safe.
Nothing hits the people while Hulk is here. Hulk sprints where every second counts. Hulk protects, and the city cheers.